Hey, I'm Alex with Marc's Mobility. Are you interested in purchasing a scooter off of Amazon? Well, stay tuned to this video review to hear the pros and cons before you make your purchase. Now, there are going to be some good scooters on Amazon and obviously some bad ones as well. So we are going to hop into the pros and cons on this. But before we get there, we do ask if you would hit like and subscribe to our channel. That does really help us out. So now we're going to hop right into the pros of purchasing a scooter on Amazon. Really, the platform is going to be probably one of the main pros of the platform. People are familiar with the Amazon platform. It is pretty easy to compare different items. They are going to have some pretty good reviews out there. Not necessarily always good reviews on the product, but there is a good review section that you can look into as well. And then just the ease of checkout, kind of having your information. If you have an account, it is kind of stored in there. So it is a pretty quick, seamless process to order through Amazon, as everybody does know. I do want to mention that you are going to find cheaper price point scooters on Amazon than you would possibly on a online dealer's website. But within this, the reputable brands, the Pride Mobility, the Goldens, these do have a minimum advertised price. So that price is going to be fixed on the more reputable brands, whether it's on an Amazon platform or directly through a dealer's website. So just want to kind of make that differentiating statement as well. But once again, some of the less known or less reputable maybe scooters that are out there on the market are going to be a lot cheaper price point. So obviously that is a big pro. If money is a concern and if you're just needing something for a short period of time, then obviously that might be a great alternative to then go buy a cheaper scooter than something that might last a really long time for you. And now one thing about the reputable brands as well is, like I said, that is a fixed price. Some online dealers do run holiday specials or run other things, so you might be able to get a promo and get a better deal directly on a dealer's website as compared to Amazon, because Amazon does not have any type of promotions on the reputable brands that are going to be on their website. Now we're going to kind of hop into the cons, and the first segment I'm going to kind of go over is going to be durability. So a lot of the scooters that are being sold on Amazon are not manufacturers that are here in the United States. It's a lot of more pass-through type scooters or power chairs. And in that, when you're gonna have a lower price point, you kind of get what you pay for. So you might have not as good of motors, not as good of wires, connections. So you potentially are gonna have a lot more issues a lot sooner than obviously going with something that's a lot more well-made. And the next con is gonna be servicing your unit with parts. If you have a need to replace a part on your unit, we've just seen this from people calling us all over or showing up at our shop, and they'll say, hey, I got this unit off Amazon. I need a replacement joystick. I need a battery for it. A lot of online dealers that are from these less reputable companies do not stock the parts. And so you're kind of going to be up a creek without a paddle when you're needing some of these parts for some of these lower cost alternative items off of Amazon. The next con would be the service aspect of these units. This is where it's going to run into a big concern. We do always tell people, go ahead and call, see if you can get a hold of their customer support team. It's either going to be outsourced or the knowledge base is going to be very minimal, or honestly, you might not even be able to get a hold of somebody for trying to service and get the parts for your scooter. So that is a big factor to consider, as well as the service segment when you're looking at something on Amazon. Another con is going to be potentially misleading specifications as well on the units. A lot of these lower cost alternative items that they're going to be posting are from China, different language barrier, and just the way the specs translate sometimes over are not always going to be accurate. It doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be intentionally misleading, but that we have seen that in many cases. The weight's not right, the length is not right. You know, the certain specifications that they list on the units is not going to be correct. So once again, definitely look at that as well and do your research to make sure that you are getting the right product for your needs. Another con is going to be in that worst case scenario as well. Reputable brands here on the market go through rigorous testing. For example, lithium batteries. You know, anybody's seen before, 5-10 years ago, things burning and catching fire, things like that. The stuff that is sold from reputable brands in the US has to go through rigorous testing, so that would not be an issue. So just remember that in the back of your mind, that you want to make sure that obviously if you're having a lithium battery, that it is tested and it is safe and obviously not going to be a flammable type item. And the last 2 points I kind of want to go over is going to be resale value. Obviously, if you have something and then you want to resell it, there's not anybody that really wants to buy a cheap item that was already used off of Amazon. There's not really going to be any resale market in this kind of field. And then another thing I want to point out is a lot of people are used to Amazon of being that next day delivery, that prime type delivery. But do understand that some of these items are going to be palletized and shipped to you by freight. So that is going to be a much longer time frame than what that next day type delivery is. So some of our final thoughts in this video review is Amazon cheaper items are a good option for some individuals. If you don't need something for long term, you don't have a lot of money to spend, you need something just, once again, you have a knee scope, you have this short-term usage, that might be the best option for you, right? Because cost and for the longevity of the item matches up with the price point. If you're looking for something that is going to be longer term, year or two, 5, 10 years of usage, what you're getting from a more expensive product to actually hold up is going to probably be a better option for a lot of individuals as well. Once again, if it's super cheap and you don't mind replacing it every couple years, then go ahead and do that. But I do think that buying a more reputable brand that is going to hold up, a lot of the industry standards are somewhere in that 7 to 10 years of daily usage of what they should hold up from the reputable brands, is going to be a better option and obviously save money in the longevity of having the item as compared to this just quick turn and burn type item. Once again, we are a reputable dealer online. We do sell many reputable brands as well, and then we're there from the start to the finish of the whole time you have the product. Whether you have questions on the product, you need servicing, you need repairs, and you need those parts, then we are going to be there for the long term. So once again, in this video review, we're not saying that don't ever buy something off Amazon, because I personally do shop and buy stuff on Amazon as well. We just want to highlight some of the differences of what you're buying when you're buying a cheaper, low quality item or a really well-made, high quality product at a little bit higher price point, and just kind of give the differences between the two. So once again, if you did like this video, we did ask if you would like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.